Hello everyone, myself Ambika Gullane from BSc third year MBB group. I am here to present my seminar of chemistry on topic methods of preparation of pyrrole under the guidance of Dr. A.S. Burgate ma'am. So I will start my seminar. First I discuss the introductory part, organic chemistry. Heterocyclic compound. What is heterocyclic compound? The cyclic compound obtained by replacing one or more carbon atom of a ring by heteroatom like nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur are called as heterocyclic compound. Or heterocyclic compounds or heterocycles is cyclic compound in which one or more atoms of a ring are heteroatom. A heteroatom such as nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. is an atom other than carbon. The examples of heterocycles are, these four are the example of heterocycles. First is a pyrrole, second is a furan, thiophene and pyridine. In pyrrole, the carbon atom in a ring are replaced by nitrogen and numbered in clockwise direction. Second is a furan. The carbon atom of a ring are replaced by oxygen atom. Thiophene, the carbon atom of a ring are replaced by sulfur atom. And in pyridine is a 6-member ring. The carbon atom of a ring are replaced by nitrogen atom. These are the examples. And next one is the classification of heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compounds are classified into three types. First is a 5-member heterocyclic compound, 6-member heterocyclic compound and condensed heterocyclic compound. We discuss 5-member heterocyclic compound. This type of compounds contain 4 carbon atom and 1 heteroatom in a ring. Total 5 atom in a ring are called as 5-member heterocyclic compound. The nitrogen containing 5-member heterocycles name usually ends with OLE. The examples are pyrrole, furan and thiophene. We discuss pyrrole. Pyrrole is also known as azole. The molecular formula of pyrrole is C4H5N or C4H4NH. Pyrrole is a Greek word, pyrrole plus oleum, meaning is that pyros means fairy and oleum means oil. Pyrrole is an important heterocyclic compound having 5-membered ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom. Then we come to the point. This is my seminar topic, preparations of pyrrole. There are three preparations. From first one is from acetylene, from succinimide, and last one is from furan. From acetylene, when mixture of acetylene, 2 equivalent and ammonia is passing through a red hot tube to form pyrrole. Mixture of acetylene in equivalent amount, 2 moles of acetylene and NH3 is passing through the red hot tube to form pyrrole and H2 is pass forward. Second one is from succinimide. प्युरांच्या पायरोलच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी आपल्याला सक्सिनिमाइडची गरज असते. तो कीटो फॉर्ममध्ये असतो, त्याला पहिला आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करावा लागतो. तो सक्सिनिक ॲसिडपासून प्रिपेअर होतो. तर सक्सिनिक ॲसिड इज CH2 CHO CH2 CHO प्लस NH3 सोबत त्याला रिॲक्ट करायचं. त्यानंतर आपल्याला सक्सिनिमाइड मिळतो, तो कीटो फॉर्ममध्ये असतो. When succinimide isomerized to form enol, which on distillation with zinc dust to form pyrrole. From succinimide methods of preparation, सक्सिनिमाइडची रिॲक्शन आयसोमराइज झाल्यानंतर इनॉल फॉर्म होतो, तो अनस्टेबल असतो. ऑन डिस्टिलेशन विथ झिंक डस्ट पायरोल फॉर्म होतो आणि झिंक ऑक्साईड ॲज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. Then last one is from furan. When mixture of furan and ammonia is passed over heated alumina Al2O3 as a catalyst at about 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius to form pyrrole. Furan is react with ammonia NH3 Al2O3 alumina as a catalyst in 400 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius to form pyrrole, and H2O is byproduct. Thank you.